Today I'll be showing you how I installed beautiful microlocks on my client using the interlocking method. Hello my love, welcome back to my channel. Let's get into it. If you're thinking about starting your lock journey or just love watching the process, keep watching. To start, I made sure to create clean, even parts because good pattern makes a huge difference in how the locks turn out. Taking your time here ensures a neat, uniform look. Next, let's talk tools. I have two different crochet needles here, one with a longer tip and one with a shorter tip. For this install, I used the shorter one because it gives better control and precision when interlocking. Now onto the fun part, interlocking. This technique secures the locks by weaving the hair through itself. I used the 4-point rotation, front to back, side to side, to keep the locks tight and long lasting. But here's a little trick I like to do. Before continuing with interlocking, I added a twist in between to help create a firmer, more uniform lock. This extra step helps with structure and makes the lock look even neater. Once I twisted it down, I went right back to interlocking to secure everything in place. And here is the final result. Neat, lightweight and super stunning. My clients loved it and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Microlocks are such a beautiful and low maintenance style. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hair content. Let me know in the comments, would you try this style? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.